So this video is again, let me tell you, this video is for sample collection of a suspected resident doctor in a tertiary care center hospital. After giving all the information, this person who is from authorized lab, authorized for collecting COVID sample. So let me again tell you, this patient, resident doctor exposed to a patient, 50-year female. So here it begins. The suspected individual will open his mouth, and the sample collector person will go deep throat, nasopharynx, oropharynx, near about this area. The one sample has been taken. As you can see, he is putting it in a vial, and the other sample will be taken from deep inside from nose. So it is quite uncomfortable. As you can see, the patient can cough. So the sample collector, although this is done in a separate chamber, but since here it is not available and the test is urgent, so with maximum precaution and wearing PPE, which is known as personal protective equipment. So after this, a suspected doctor is coughing and he is quite apprehensive. Are you scared, doctor?
Yeah, I'm scared.
Oh, so he is scared, as you can see, but he is smiling. So the smiling will increase his immunity. Okay. Hope this doctor will not come positive, because he is in front line and he is serving the patients and the society. And as you can see, the person has collected, and within 2 days, this is the bag. As you can see, show me your bag. So this is the biomedical waste management poly bag. इसमें क्या डालने वाले हैं आप?
Gloves and goggles.
अच्छा, so as you can see, gloves and goggle will be discarded. He is sanitizing his hand. As you can see, with hand sanitizer, alcohol based sanitizer, he is so this is called duffing, when when a health care worker disposes his personal protection equipment. He has kept inside the goggle. Now he is removing this white PPE. After collecting every sample, the sample collector has to change. So there is also a shoe cover. Okay, as you can see, there is a this one is the biomedical waste management poly bag.
आपको इसी में कौन देगा?
As you can see, now 2 gloves पहने जाते हैं इसके अंदर में. 1 layer of gloves, then second layer of gloves. He has the bag of his lab, inside which he is keeping these materials. So I request for those who are watching this video, you should pray for these 2 persons that they come negative. And he is very dedicated person. He has taken thousands of samples across Delhi, and he is very expert in this. Few places where there is a facility for closed chamber sample taking, there he takes according to that, but here since it is not available, so sample has been taken in isolation, and he has done with. हो गया आपका भैया पूरा? Okay, thank you very much. Thank you guys. So please like, share and subscribe for upcoming videos. I will update more COVID-19 information and updates. Thank you for watching. Please share, like and subscribe. Thank you भैया.